Tripping. Yeah, I was under. Never mind. I don't even want to talk about it, y'all. Guess what the jelly was at? In the washing room where I just left out of. And it's jam, and I've been saying jelly the whole time. I don't even like jelly. I like jam. Jelly used to be cool. It's just, man, it ain't all that. Like, kids, they be like, I want an all jelly sandwich. Watch out for that. Don't let them. Don't leave their ass alone. I got that money. Don't know. I am really am a chef. Hold on. People be like, oh, you can't stick the peanut butter in the jelly. I said, what I want in my house. Even though you won't never see that tracing in there, nothing. You see, ain't no finger scoop. That's all knife scoops. Ain't no people there. No, we don't do that here. We don't play with the peanut butter here. We don't put it in your ass or how they do in jail. We don't do that. Look, no. You do that shit on the streets, you consider the might as well start singing that Lil Nas X song. Lil Nas X ain't bad though. I ain't gonna lie. Like that nigga first came out, even though he's still up in his nine, I just want to listen to him. But I heard him on the radio. It ain't like I'm just gonna turn him on. But I am not gonna no turn it off. But when he gets to doing all that little one stuff, man, ain't nobody trying to see all that. Like those outfits. But I guess that's how people. If that's how you want to dress, how you want to dress. I can't control nobody. I'm not even at the same level he is. So I say to anybody that got a problem with that man's style, man, just mind your business. Right? Better to tell you the truth. Just mind your business. Just mind your business. Listen, if you don't mind your business, that pay you. Somebody gonna mind it for you. Hear me? You don't want nobody to come mind your business for you. But I tell you to mind your business, man. You see somebody get shot, man, don't call a police officer. No police ain't gonna help you. Like those people threatening you coming to your house. They gonna say, "Oh, we can't arrest the whole police department. We can't arrest everybody that threatened you, sir. Move. You don't have to move. You could just kept your mouth shut. You won't have to do nothing. Be cool, because they ain't finna come say you got to know people come to the house 15 times. Somebody see you at the gas station, swing on you, pull off. They ain't gonna do the best to catch. Like, oh, we have to find this guy. Our best claims on the line. No, you already snitched. It's nothing we can do but tell you these couple of options. They ain't finna be. Oh, we sent a squad cars right now. How in the bed? Hmm. Call 911. I'm just a detective. Not on your case anymore. Not on your case anymore. Niggas, what did I do? Why did they start acting like this? Started. They been acting like this. Oh, you talking about when he tricked you with the good voice? Oh yeah, we do that to all of them. I think they get all the confessions. Everybody snitching. Man, what? I don't give a damn. Listen, most of this dudes snitching. It's just what they willing to snitch on. You heard Outpost. I ain't snitching on the. What that nigga said? I ain't snitching on the. I ain't snitching on her. Anywhere my homeboys. They ain't snitch on his homeboy. I guess I'll give him that. Well, I don't know what he snitched on. There was some other shit coming out. And he was killing his. He did my boy Rich, bro. Knocked in there. Bow, bow, bow. Rich tried to get out. Bow, chicka boom, bow, chicka boom, bow. People think that's only in movies. Yo, man, does it do you like that? Hell yeah. He wouldn't do that to me. He only robbed other cousins members. We robbed the other cousin. I go ahead and rob the other cousin. He'd never do nothing like that to me. Extra crunchy. These peanut butters there. He loves me. Why would he ever rob me? Okay. They love Jesus. They ain't gonna slide for that nigga. See it. What's up, bro? Do you remember me? Somebody comment, what's up, bro? Do you remember me? Hold on. Oh, that foil thing not looking. I would comment no, but it's gonna be mean because I don't remember him. I never seen his name before. Okay. I never seen his name before, so it would kind of be mean. Let me finish doing 102. It'll kind of be mean to tell him the truth, but no, I don't remember you. No, I don't know who you is. But I still fuck with you because you at least comment on my video, so now I'm going to know who you is. So next time you comment and say, "Do you remember me?" I'm going to say, "Of course I do." Instead of pulling on my phone and saying I don't know who this person is, I'm going to say, "Yes, that's my birdie. Yes, this is the macaroni box, and yes, this is gonna be good, and yes, I'm gonna bang this shit, and yes, I want my peanut butter and jellies up, and yes, this shit bust, and yes, we out this bitch with another video, and I'm gonna see me eating no more. I'm tired of that shit. I'm out." Anyway, so now y'all can hear me when I walk around because it was feeling like when I left, y'all couldn't hear me. But yeah, we gonna hang this up too. Well, hang this up. We gonna edit this video, y'all. Y'all gonna be a little happier. We got a lot more videos, like 2, 3 vlogs of that. We just do little simple stuff around the house today. Did laundry. Just gonna go back in there for another wash, but by itself because since it was clean, but since it's sat under clothes, it got that smell. No, you don't want that smell at all. Make sure it don't have that smell. One thing you want to do is make sure it don't have. I should tell you this. Nope. He's gonna do this whole thing over. I didn't even know you was in there, buddy. He's gonna do this whole little thing over real quick. Watch this whole little thing. We're gonna watch this whole little thing over. So not too much. We're gonna put some OxiCleaner. This is my OxiClean too. Like, oh, why did you put? I was gonna say, bitch, fucking bug in there. Not a roach, y'all. I don't have those. It's outside lightning bug. If you know, you know. Oh, let me show you just so I don't want to have to get clowned on her. Oh, you know what? You know what? You know what? We finna put what we found in our lines. We don't be caring. We get everything that we gonna get. Show my, put y'all back right here real quick. Probably like, is you gonna flush that down your sink? Hey, buddy, you'll be surprised. Fucking those pipes. Go down those goddamn pipes, you'll be scared yourself, motherfucker. I said, just because we doing a quick wash, we don't really have nothing. You put like this, you mix this. You know, you just whoop, 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 whoop. A lot of people don't know about this signature right here. Mix this with this, right? Right, like, oh my god, you're gonna mess something up. 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 Listen, let me tell you something. If I was gonna mess something up, it would have been messed up. But what I need y'all to do, need y'all to tell OxyClean, need y'all to tell OxyClean and Todd to sponsor me, cause we gonna show y'all how to hit that real liquid. You hear me? Show you how to cook that shit up in the kitchen. How I used to do back in the day. You hear me? Cook that up. Cook. Baby told me do I had to cook. Wait. She man her goods. I'm fucking that shit. I'm spinning her shit. She loving it. She loving it. Ooh, hold on, baby. Don't be doing that. Come on, baby. You can't be. Come on. I know you're ready to come on, baby. You wet? Oh shit. Talking about the liquid, y'all. Talking about. Hold on, bro. Y'all be on that weird. Liquid. Oh my god. Oh my god, girl. You can't be doing that like that. Yeah, you probably like, bro. See, how you don't have anything. All you have to do, bro, is just do this. We're gonna do a quick little. We're gonna say it's just. This ain't nothing but towels. We're gonna get his towels. We're gonna do a quick wash. Extra spin. No. Max spin. We're gonna do max spin. We're gonna start it. It's gonna fill up first with the water. That's all right there. I'm gonna put that up there. We're gonna put like a little things down. That. Pause. Okay, y'all. While we got that in there, we got that in the wash. I got a white type of this down too. We got that in the washer, y'all. The reason why we ain't got everything separated back here is because it's the laundry room and wait, 221, so everything got moved. But I'm gonna make some eggs real quick. Make me an egg. So I always check on this bread, see if this bread good. Always check on the ingredients before you start making something. I done got fooled a couple times. I make me the egg sandwich, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm trying to think. The quickest thing is gonna be a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, we're gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I want. It's not the right one. Hey, I can trust my peanut butter and jelly. I don't trust other people's house. They let their kids put their fingers in there. They got people. Now I've been to the worst house, man. I don't trust nobody's house, man. Nobody. I don't trust restaurant. Listen, of course I'm going to eat. I'm a human. I'm going to eat out of it. I do not trust it. I'm not going to stay there. I'm not going to love it. Somebody come there. You're not tough. Oh my gosh. Tell y'all the truth. Baby girl, I ain't tell you the truth. I had 5, I had 10, but I ain't wanna fuck with you. Could have put in so many times, so many long nights up in the booth. I ain't even rap, had to rap in there up with his crew. If you understand stacking, I like stacking to the roof. So many times I told dog he a lame, and who is you? If you dissing your little man, you cannot fuck with my crew. Nigga breaking niggas, it's like hitting you with that switch. Nigga breaking niggas, you might as well correct your own bitch, your own kid. You say you wanna snatch something, but you a bitch. Don't be asking about the other side, but you know that you switch. Bro, don't ask about no mission or no hits. I don't know what you be talking about, boy. I ain't no shit. I'm a baby pig. Wake me up and I'm mad as shit. They know what I do, nigga. They call me fat, but they call me white. Run come out, cause he tight. Nigga know what's up. Lose his wife. Hold on. He thinking I'm playing. He thinking I'm playing. He thinking I'm playing. He must be thinking I'm his friend. So I blow a nigga down, kill him with his man. So many times I could have tapped him. And with his friends, they be asking like, who was him? And my man, he got hit with his crew. Left him jam, hit the gun jam. You know what happened? We're gonna have to shoot. Told dog what we had to do. Stuff him up and hit him with the gun. I don't like you. He said, why you rapping on the beat? But I ain't got one. Say you want to problem with me, but you ain't seeing one. Bitch, make one. For that's how that chop hit, trying to get a bag. But I told you that you can't stop shit. You mad 'cause you can't stop shit. You on that out shit. Working there every day, I told dog you be on that cop shit. Snitch running your mouth, I told dog you ain't that. Snitch running your mouth, I told dog we got options. I can work out or work it out way with the chop. Work it out way with the chop. Tell dog walk me out. Bitch, I walking out. And I'm talking out. If he be a big bad wolf, what he trying to do? I'm just the 3 little pigs, but we don't fuck with you. Ain't made out of wood or bricks. What I supposed to do? I got smart and use metal and that's steel. Dog play with me. I told dog we trying to kill. Ain't no blowing this away. This is real. Yeah, I believe what he said. He telling me to go to bed. He telling me to chill because he know how I get. Nigga diss me, I hop up and start getting mad. But then I look like I'm not even on his ass. Nigga diss you because he want to be like you and he said. That's the truth. Don't be telling me about that past. And that's the truth. I'm gonna wash my face real quick, y'all. Just woke up. I'm gonna wash my face, change my clothes. Bitch, I'm back. I might look different, but I'm still back. People be like, bro, why did you cut your dreads? I ain't gonna, people ask me that. It kind of, irritate me as it used to. But it'd be like, man, listen. I cut my dreads not because I just wanted to cut my dreads. Cut my dreads because I wanted to restart or no. This is my restart. Hey. I want to restart. Right now, it's just a restart. I don't even gonna be too much, nothing. Gotta get my wash towel. A lot of y'all, like, oh, I did miss one step. I should have washed my hands first, but it don't matter. It's my face, you know. Flush the toilet. I ain't even use the toilet. I just like to flush the toilet. Dog say he wants some pounds. I don't even trust my own gun to shoot like this.